dear listeners, today we are going to meet a special student of our institute, Career Companion. Means why she's special? Because she's a housewife as well. She's looking after household activities. Despite having all these major responsibilities, serious responsibilities, she's also pursuing English language as well. That's what the spirit we need in today's time. So let's meet today. Let's have a short meeting with our student, and she will herself introduced about all the things, whatever she has learned here in our institute, Career Companion, and what she has gone through, what experience she has gone through. So let's meet our student.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonali and I am a housewife. So I learned English from the Career Companion Institute. I joined before 3 years, means before 3 months. So it's very difficult for me how to learn English because I got married. So it's very impossible for housewife how to manage. And I searched lots of institute and finally I found this institute, Career Companion. I learned lots of things from the Omar sir because my first day in the class I was very nervous. So he he support me how to speak, how to improve my English. So I want to say to everyone, please join to Career Companion Institute.
Yes,
Thank you.
Sonali, I just appreciate you. She's special student. Why? Because she's carrying with two different responsibilities. She's learning as well, and she's a housewife as well. Look, I'm just so frustrated with some unmarried students or actually singles, and if they're not focusing on their subjects or their goals, I think it's very disappointing for me for overall situation. But look, we should learn from students like her because she's a housewife as well, and being a housewife is not an easy thing because you are looking after your in-laws at home. You are just looking after each and everything at home, kitchen, other household activities, and despite having all these major responsibilities, she's pursuing her English language as well, computer courses as well. So me, she started right from the beginning. I know her quite well. She started, she was nervous, she was confused, but now she's quite able to explain about the things and ideas quite easily. So Sonali, how was your experience in the class? Means were you confused? Were you afraid? Were you scared in the beginning? After joining the class, what was going on in your mind?
Okay, first when I joined the class, I was very nervous because I don't know how to speak English, how to say anything to other, and how to connect with other person. But after joining the Career Companion Institute, I learned lot of things. Me because I can speak English very well, and I can communicate to other person very easily. So it's very useful for me.
So after spending few months here, how do you think about future? Are you positive? Are you
Yeah.
do you still think no? I need to do something much better than this.
No, before joining, I was nervous because I don't know how what I do in my future and what do other thing in my life. But after joining the Career Companion Institute, I am feeling very positive and I will do best in my life.
Okay, Sonali, being a housewife, what's your message for other housewives overall that they should join this institute? How would you invite them? How would you motivate them, being a housewife, to learn that you have proved that it's not impossible? It's quite easy to focus and to learn English language, anything, being a married woman, it's not a big deal. So, how would you motivate your housewives, married women, how would you motivate them? How would you invite them
Okay.
to join and come and to join Career Companion under our guidance? Would you be able to motivate them? Would you like to motivate them?
Yeah, I want to say to all of housewives, please join the Career Companion Institute. You can learn lots of things, and in the your life you can many of the things because nowadays everything is compulsory and possible for us. So we should join it.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.